Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Vault collection by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. If you are interested in seeing what I think about these eyeshadow palettes, then keep watching. First, I'm going to be swatching the Bling Boss palette, the one on my eyes. I'm going to swatch some of the ones that I did not use on my eyes. Okay. So I swatched a few of them. Now this one is Berry Treasure. This one is Ballsy. This one is Sparks, which I'm not gonna lie is pretty shitty. Let me just I didn't try that one on the eyes, but that one's not cute when you swatch it. Probably better on the eyes, but when you swatch it, And this one is Pizzazz. So we are going to swatch a few of the colors in Ring the Alarm, which is this palette. We have Lolly. We have Bomb Ass. We have Alert, and we have Secret. Next, we're gonna swatch is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So these are just a few swatches from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Coin Prowl, I think that's how you pronounce it. Access, and Top Secret. Last but not least, we have the Dark Magic palette, which is this bluish green palette. Power Cut, Trickery, Potion, and Temptress. So because this is an eyeshadow review, I am gonna do my base and my brows and all that good shit off camera so that we don't sit here for an hour. Like I said, we're gonna use Bling Boss. That's this, can't open it, purple one right here. I'm gonna use this color Hush Hush and put that on my crease. So it is very pigmented. Not here, let me actually not blow that off. Not much fallout whatsoever. And I was really tapping on that pan, and there was, this is, okay. This is very cute, and it's a really pretty color. I am gonna take this color Rockstar right there. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and kind of drag it a little bit in my crease. No fallout. Well, literally a couple specks. But that is gorgeous. I'm gonna get a little bit of a smaller brush and get this color over here, Mystic. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my lid. Alright, I'm going to cut the crease, just half of a crease, and we'll move on. It is so fucking hot in here. I am going to use this Wet n Wild brush, which is bomb, and 99 cents each. I'm gonna take this color Bling Bling, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay, there's nothing coming off. So that's what comes off of my finger. But when I'm actually going in, there's literally like nothing on the brush. Okay, alright. Let's just Fix Plus on that bitch and see what happens. Really going in there. Here we go. Give things a second chance. I mean, I don't know if it's just because it's really light, maybe? It's coming off a little bit, but not as much as I wished it would. Maybe it's just my skin color. But it's not as like blinding and pigmented as I thought it would be. Let me try with my finger. Okay, so when I put it on my finger and I put it on my lid, it seems to look prettier. I'm sorry if you can hear some people like with some sort of scooters outside. And I'm just gonna go in with Gem right there, and I'm gonna put that underneath my waterline. I am also going to put that on my waterline, that eyeshadow on my waterline. So I'm done with that eye. I'm gonna put on some mascara real quick. I'm using the Maybelline Big Shot mascara on. I don't deserve this. So I'm going to dig into the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And this is the one with the really, really white color, and this is called VIP. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner and my brow bone. Oh, mama. Alright then, I am going to go put on some lashes and do this eye as well, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I did this eye, put on some lashes. These are the Rouge and Rogue lashes in Miss Fury, and these are probably my favorite lashes. I put on some fake freckles, as you can see. I also have to put on some highlighter, so I'm going to use this Dream Glow Kit by ABH, and I'm going to use this purple color right there. Just a tad bit. Just a really subtle glow. You know, not too much. Just a very natural. Now I'm going to put on this Kat Von D lipstick in Sanctuary. It's the first time trying this on my lips, so pretty excited. And this is the final look. I definitely had to put a lot of layers on to get it to be like this because it was definitely sheer. The first coat was just like see-through. But after a few coats, this is what it looks like. This one so far, really pigmented, easy to blend, not any fallout, pretty much no fallout at all. I just love the color scheme of each palette. And they're 15 bucks for one palette and $49 for the whole Vault collection. But I think with Jaclyn's discount code you get 10% off, I believe. Jack Attack, pretty sure you get 10% off. I really like how they applied and blended on the eyes. Very smooth. The formula is really, really nice. They're really soft and creamy. Some of them are creamy, more of the shimmery ones, are creamy. I really like these palettes. I never got to try out her palettes before. They were only in like PR, so obviously I'm not on their PR list. I definitely think that if you are thinking about getting one of these palettes or all of these palettes, I think you should, because they're cheap. Not cheap, but inexpensive. They're super inexpensive. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more reviews on these palettes, more looks that you could do with these palettes, then please let me know below, or on my other social media platforms. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.